जंय आमी कमी पडटा ते आमी भरतले. सरकाराचो उद्देश इतलो आहा की फुडल्या 2 वर्सान आमी आर्कायव्ज एक नव्यो मॉडर्न आर्कायव्ज तयार करपाक जाय. हें करचे पयलीं हांगा जें कितें आसा हें आमी राखून दवरूंक जाय. तें राखप कशें? एक की डॅम्पनेस जावची न्हू. डॅम्पनेसानूय काबार जावंक शकता बिकॉज इट देन बिकम्स बायोडिग्रेडेबल. एटलिस्ट 15 दिसांनी एकदां येवन वन्स एक आमी काम जर डिसायड करतात जाल्यार 15 दिसांनी एकदां येवप आनी हांगा आमी लोकांक सर्वीस दिता काय ना तें पळोवप हें म्हजें कर्तव्य जातलें. हांव मारतोलो पासयेन हो जागो वी ट्रेजर दीस प्लेस. आर्किओलॉजिकल सायट्स 51 आहा ताका कोण राखपाक 51 मनीस तरी जाय पडले. 51 गार्ड ना. कित्याक गार्ड ना? सरकारा कडेन गार्ड घालपाक पयशे ना. अशें आसूंक शकता? आसूंक शकना न्ही. आं सो आमी घालूंक जाय. So we'll have to make this. It is a place where Shivaji Maharaj had come. So I think that place, in addition to the fact that Saptakoteshwar is one of the oldest deities, we'll see to it that justice is done. केल्लें ना न्ही पूण आतां एक सारकें डिटेल्ड आमचो प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट आमकां दाखयल्लो आहा आनीक तातूंत मातशें एक म्हळ्यार जो हेरिटेजाचो एस्पेक्ट आसता कन्जर्वेशन आर्किटेक्ट जे भशेन करतात ते तांणी करपाचो विचार केल्लो आहा. जाय जाल्यार तुमकां हांव एक प्रेजेंटेशनूय दिता द मोमेंट वर्क इज स्टार्टेड. पूण काम बरें जातलें. दीज आर स्पेशलिस्ट फॉर इनवर्ड. ओल्ड गोवा हॅज टू बी प्रोटेक्टेड. वी आर कमिटेड टू preserving old Goa for posterity. No, that is why I want to first ascertain what are the expectations of the church when it comes to preservation of archaeological sites as well as old Goa in general. Let them say what is it, how much we can accept, what we cannot accept and why we cannot accept. We'll look at it. Digitization is जावपाक जाय. Digitization is also a priority. See, we will have a complete audit. That is why I have brought Mr. Menon here. The whole idea is that I am not qualified to speak about fire. The person qualified should speak.
As regards fire safety audit, Jasa, we had given us our recommendations on as in various basis, particularly regarding the records room. And we had recommended standalone modular-based gas-based system. Now the director has already done the needful as far as e-tendering is concerned. I think she is already. It will be done within few months. I think. Yeah, she has issued the order. So once it is placed, then we will see how secure it is. As far as I have seen now, the risk is not much in the record rooms. So it's all open and we need to see whether we need to air condition that place instead of so many fans, electrical wirings. So that we will need to check with because to remove the dampness also we can humidifier we can actually put there. So that we need to see. Otherwise basics they have already carried out and it will be in place within one or two months I think.